All right, my wonderful students. So we are working on argument writing, and it's specifically going to be used for our projects that we're doing. Now that we picked the place we're going to volunteer at, we need to now figure out how to actually convince people to let us volunteer there, to let us go there. So we're going to use the claim evidence format. So first of all, claim, it's just the reason why you have the opinion that you have. Okay? So when you see the word claim, just think it's the reason. It's always in your own words. So for example, if somebody asks you what's your favorite color, a claim to that could be, my favorite color is green because it calms me down. It's your answer, green, plus a reason, it calms me down. Okay? So it's your reason and why you believe that. Another example, if someone says, who's the best current NBA player, your claim could be, LeBron's the best current NBA player because he's the most well-rounded. Okay, it's your answer to the question plus a reason why. And remember, this is all your own opinion, all in your own words. Evidence is where you actually use some people who know exactly what they're talking about, or they use statistics or percentages or facts, and you use their proof to help support your argument. So your evidence is something that proves and supports your claim. It's usually pulled directly from a website or from a book. It's not your own words, so that's why you put it with quotes. So for example, for my question from above about who's the best NBA player, I went online and I found Stephen A. Smith said this quote, "There hasn't been an NBA player as balanced and complete as LeBron since Oscar Robertson." So when I'm trying to answer the original question here, using claim evidence format, this is what my answer will look like. Okay? Another example is over here. From the book, a lot of times, pretty much every time you have questions for the outsiders, it says answer using claim evidence format. So here's what a level 3 answer looks like. If I ask something like, who's the most loyal character in the book? You would say, Johnny is the most loyal character in the book because he killed Bob to save his friend, right? This is my claim. This is all in my own words. Then I add my evidence. I look back in the book and I find exactly where it says this. In the book it says, comma quotes, I had to. They were drowning you, pony. They might have killed you. And they had a blade. They were going to beat me up. Okay? So this is my claim. This is my evidence. This proves what I believe. An example for what you're actually going to do on your projects in just a minute. You're going to be doing different arguments. So for example, if you're in this group, you're going to create an argument where you explain why this is an important group to help using claim evidence format, meaning two different reasons and two different pieces of evidence that prove those reasons. I gave you an example of a single claim evidence right here. So I said, here, my claim, why we should volunteer for the Humane Society, I said, the Humane Society is an important organization because they help care for animals when their owners are no longer able to. My evidence, I went on their website and I found this right here about how pets are surrendered to the Humane Society of Missouri for housebreaking issues, meaning they pee and poo everywhere, allergies, financial concerns, and behavior problems, to name a few. So I took that and I copy and pasted it directly right here. And so this is my evidence that'll prove that. Because the assignment will usually say claim evidence, I'm going to do this again. I would say something like, another reason why the Humane Society is a good group is because, and then I would say whatever else I want to say. And then finally, I would pull out that evidence that proves what my reason is. Okay? So this is how you do claim evidence format to prove whatever you believe. Okay? Good luck.